Hello and welcome to this clinical tutorial. I am Dr. Baljeet, Assistant Professor at ITS Institute of Health and Allied Sciences in Department of Physiotherapy. Today we are going to learn about coordination assessment. Coordination assessment is done for those patients who are suffering from lesion of cerebellum, or they are having ataxia, mainly Friedreich's ataxia or spinocerebellar ataxia. Some patients also have ataxia because of severe sensory loss, like loss of proprioception, kinesthesia and touch sensation. Those kinds of patients do have sensory ataxia. So today we are going to learn about coordination assessment, and I would like to thank my intern for consenting into this video, and let's talk about coordination assessment. Coordination assessment is mainly divided into two types of tests. First is non-equilibrium test, and the second type of tests are the equilibrium tests. Non-equilibrium tests are mainly finger to nose test and heel to shin test and rapid alternating movement. Now I will explain my model on how to perform a finger nose test. So the person should be in a comfortable sitting position. Now what you have to do, just outstretch your arm and try to touch your nose. Keep looking forward and repeat this movement multiple times. Can you please do it for me? Thank you. Now, what happens in ataxia patients when they are doing this movement? There are 2-3 things that we can note into these patients. First is that there will be lack of precision. They might not exactly be able to touch their nose. They will be moving away from this target while doing this movement. Or secondly, their movement will have lots of tremors or lots of incoordination while they are performing this movement. The third thing that we can notice is that their movements are extremely slow in order to be precise, and that's why they try to move their hand extremely slowly. So if we find any of these 3 findings, that is, if the person is extremely slow, if they are showing tremors, or if their movement is totally incoordinated, then we can define that this finger to nose test result finds out that the person is having incoordination. Now let's move on to the second test. The second test is rapid alternating movement. Now what you have to do, keep sitting in this comfortable position and keep your hands like this. Now can you do these 2 movements, touching your palm and then the back of the palm. So can you do these movements repeatedly? A little fast. Very good. Stop now. Thank you. In this movement also, if the person is doing it extremely slowly, or if the movement is having lots of tremors, or if the movement is extremely incoordinated, then we can say that the person is having incoordination.